In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your work into clear, trackable tasks and make sure the right people are responsible for them. Let's get started. First, log into your Asana account on your desktop. Working from a full browser view gives you the most space to see your project and all the task details, which makes setup faster and more accurate. Next, open the project where you want to create tasks. You'll find your projects in the sidebar. Click the one that matches the work you're organizing. Tasks live inside projects, so this ensures everything you create is neatly grouped and visible to your teammates. Now, create your first task. Click Add Task at the top or the bottom of your task list. Both options work the same. As soon as the new task line appears, enter a clear, concise task name. A good rule of thumb is to start with a verb and be specific, like draft Q3 report rather than report. Clear names help everyone understand what needs to happen at a glance. Assign the task by clicking the Assignee field and selecting the team member responsible for completing it. Assigning right away prevents tasks from floating around without ownership. If you're the one doing the work, assign it to yourself so it shows up in your personal list immediately. If there's a deadline, set a due date. Pick a realistic date to help your team prioritize and consider how this task fits with other timelines. Due dates keep work moving and make workloads more predictable. You can enrich the task with optional details. Add a description or notes to clarify the scope. Provide context or paste helpful links. If the work breaks down into smaller pieces, create subtasks to outline each step. Attach files such as briefs, images, or spreadsheets so everything the assignee needs is in one place. If your project uses custom fields like priority or status, fill those in to help with reporting and filtering later. When you're done, press Enter or click outside the task to save it. Asana saves changes instantly, so you won't lose your work. Repeat this process for any additional tasks you need in the project. Building out tasks in one pass helps your team see the full plan and dependencies early. As work progresses, use the task list and the detail pane on the right to edit names, update descriptions, reassign ownership, change due dates, and adjust custom fields. Keeping tasks current ensures everyone stays aligned and nothing falls through the cracks. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.